Ever wondered how bottles are made so quickly? Here's a quick look at mass production. It starts with raw materials like sand, soda ash, and limestone, carefully mixed together. The mixture is heated at very high temperatures until it becomes molten glass. Molten glass is shaped into bottles using molds and air pressure. Bottles are slowly cooled in a tunnel to strengthen the glass and prevent cracks. Bottles are checked by sensors for defects, then packed quickly using automated machines. Finished bottles are organized and prepared for shipping to different industries for final use. Mass production ensures bottles are made quickly, consistently, and ready for everyday use across industries. Next time you use a bottle, remember the advanced process behind its creation.